Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Welcome to our channel, Silver
Fanatic.
Okay guys, as we all know, we've been away for quite some time.
Yes.
It's been weeks. We've been away.
Family emergency.
Yeah, family problems and emergencies all combined together, guys.
Yeah.
Okay.
But we're back.
But we are back.
Yeah.
Yes, we are back. We just want to say sorry about that. No notice, nothing. It also happened to us as well. There was no notice, nothing, guys. Okay.
Yes.
We have a lot of catching up to do. Okay.
Yeah. Bear with us.
Yes, guys. I think today's video, guys, it's a bit different.
Yes.
I'm also surprised. We'll be saying a mail call.
Hey, our first mail call.
Our first mail call.
Hey.
That's so exciting. We can't even believe it ourselves.
Yes.
That we'll have a video with the title
Mail call.
Hey. That's so exciting, guys. Okay.
Yes,
okay,
yes.
We've already opened this packet from the
Yes.
post office, guys.
Yes.
We were so excited.
We couldn't wait.
We couldn't wait. We just said no, we'll open this one
Maybe
in the car.
it's a mistake.
Maybe it's a mistake or something. Turned out to be not to be a mistake, guys.
And we're happy that this
Yeah.
mail call.
It's one of our favorite channels, guys.
Yes.
One of our favorite guys. We're so excited. Let's get to it, guys.
Yes.
Yeah, let's get to it. Get the excitement aside. As I mentioned, we've opened it. It's open.
Yeah.
So the suspense. Okay.
Let's kill it.
Let's kill the suspense, guys. Okay, all right. Must I say Vara or Vuru? I don't know. Vara, guys. Okay.
Yes.
All right. Okay, guys. Okay. Oh, there's another one. There's another sticker inside, guys.
We're so happy.
We are really so happy. Oh, there's something inside as well, guys. Okay, there's something as well inside, guys. Okay, I'll just put it there, one side.
And
let's
then
put it
have,
this side.
Yeah,
it's more appropriate this side.
and then we can take a look of everything.
Yeah, we can take a look at everything, guys. Okay, these stickers have traveled. If they can tell you a lot.
Yes.
Even the packet itself shows that the post office opened it and resealed it.
Hey.
So it shows that
It's been through a lot.
It's been through a lot.
I'm sure Melstack is happy now that we finally get.
Yes, we finally got something from his side.
He's been panicking.
Yeah, hey.
And we got the originals. I'm so happy.
And I am so happy as well that we've got the original.
Yes,
millennial sticker.
We're waiting for the other one.
That's the one we wanted the most. Millennial stack. We were so sad that we were gonna miss out on this one and end up getting mail stack only.
Yes.
But exciting.
You're gonna get both.
We will get the other one as well. I know we will get the other one. Millennial sticker, guys. Okay, these are his stickers,
Beautiful
guys.
stickers.
Really beautiful stickers, guys. Coins all over, guys.
From Canada
to South Africa. There is a flag there. There is a flag, a Canadian flag, guys. Okay, well done, guys. It's a beautiful sticker. Okay, I've been seeing it other people's channels, guys, and getting a bit jealous, but now I am not.
No jealous.
We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, guys.
Yes.
5, guys. 5 stickers, guys. Okay.
We can also display stickers on our.
Yeah, we'll be displaying mail stickers, guys, on our videos, guys. Okay. All right. This is a sticker, guys, and then let's see what we have here, guys. It's a coin, guys. Hey, we don't know much about coins, so please. Just bear with us.
Still
let me
learning.
just take it out.
Still learning.
Okay. All right, guys. Okay. All right. This is the coin, guys. This is the coin.
Canadian. 50 cents.
50 cents Canadian, guys. It's a
1964.
1964, guys. Very nice coin, guys. Love
to
it.
add on our collection.
Yeah, we really love it, guys. Okay, we will keep
Thank you
this
so much.
forever. Forever. This one is not for sale. If anybody's looking and wanting, just forget it. This one is ours. We'll
Yes.
keep this one forever. Thank you, Melstack, for everything, madam. Thank you so much.
We really
I would really appreciate being a
what
good
you've
friend.
been there for us.
Yeah, all the way, guys. Okay, thank you so much, Melstack. Really lovely coin, guys.
I think you also
Really
said our
lovely
first
coin.
shout out.
Yes. Yeah, it
And
was
you
the
got
first person.
our first mail call from
First
him.
mail call, first shout out from him, guys. Everything first from Melstack. Let me just show you again, because I am so happy about this one.
That's true.
This sticker, I am really happy about this sticker that we finally found one, and we didn't find a new one. We also had an opportunity to get the old millennial sticker, guys. The old one. Okay. All right, guys. I think today's video was just about this exciting mail call.
Yes,
guys. Okay.
Thank you so much.
All right. Thank you, guys, for everything.
Okay, bye.
Bye.